And we're gonna carefully pour each color over our balloon until we get a mix of colors here. So we finish. We want to take our balloon. Get a bowl that you can sit it right on. So you just take your knot out of your balloon and you want to slowly release the air from your balloon to keep the shape of your candy. Don't let it out too fast because it will shatter. Once your air has released, just slightly pull. Okay, here's your balloon. And move us over just a little bit. Now we'll move on to our cake. We just want to go ahead and make lots of holes around here. Now, we have a fun way to incorporate some Jolly Ranchers. We're also going to add a few pieces of watermelon to give that nice watermelon flavor. Now we'll turn that on and we'll wait for the magic to happen. And we're just gonna turn that off. We'll grab our pot and then we'll just pour that right into our cake. So we'll just finish pouring this right around there. And then we're gonna take our watermelon that we previously cut. We'll place that right on top of our cake. And then we're gonna flip. And then we have our whipping cream here. And we're just gonna go right on there. Okay, and now we will go on to our tequila. Now we have our tequila here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna remove some of that tequila. Then we'll take our straw of Jolly Ranchers that we made previously, and we're gonna take that and stick that right into our tequila. Now what happens here is the tequila will dissolve all of the Jolly Rancher. And I made one previously for you, and this is the outcome. And you're gonna add that right to the tequila that you previously poured in the cup. Take a straw and freeze. We will add this one to the freezer, and I have one already made here. We're just gonna pop that out. And then we're gonna go right over our martini. And we're gonna shave that ice. Now we have here our finished cake. And we're going to go ahead and place our nice balloon right on top of that cake. Gives it a beautiful color. And we have our drink to accompany our cake and our candy balloon.